on the Ridgeline, how to remove trim panels to install our either in-motion bypass or the front camera unit. All right, remove the side panel first. Now we'll move to the driver's side. You're not going to remove the whole panel, we're just going to slide it back enough to reveal the third screw. Now we can go ahead and disconnect the climate control. Alright, first thing, we're going to remove the panel with the hazard switch. It has two plastic clips that hold it in place. And then you have the gray connector. Alright. The radio is held together, held down by two screws all the way in the back. You don't need to remove them. You just need to loosen them enough to let the radio slide out. And now let's pull the head unit out. Alright, and now we're going to remove the blue plug and the gray plug. Alright, let's grab the NAViKS harness. It does not matter in which order you do this. First we'll put the blue plug back in. Our blue plug. Combine the original blue plug with our blue plug. And there's plenty of space. Now let's slide the NAViKS unit back in there. All right, and reverse the procedure, okay?